In this session, we're going to look at volume of prisms. So that's 3D shapes that have a constant cross-section. The cross-section is the shape that goes all the way through. For example, a loaf of bread. The slices, wherever you slice the bread, always look the same shape. That's the cross-section. So for volume, for a cuboid, all we're going to do is times the height, the width, and the depth. So all three measurements. And our units this time, instead of just squared for area, are going to be cubed for volume. For example, here I've got a cuboid. This shaded bit is the cross-section. And that measurement is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is 36. Then I've got to multiply it by the depth, how far back it goes. So that's 4. So 36 times 4 is 144 centimetres cubed. Sometimes the shapes are a bit harder, like this prism. I need to find the area of the cross-section. The cross-section here is the triangle that goes all the way through the shape. So let's find the area of the triangle. Its base is 11 and its height is 8. Let's not be caught out by the diagonal 9. So if I'm timesing 11 and 8, I get 88, and I need to half it to get 44. So that's the area of my cross-section. Now I need to know how far back the shape goes. It goes back 20, so I'm just going to do 44 times by 20 to get 880 centimetres cubed. Sometimes you can have a compound shape that you need to find the volume of. So we're just going to deal with the cross-section like we would a normal compound shape in 2D. We're going to split it. So I can split this shape into 3 different rectangles, and I need to find the measurements for them. So for shape A, I know that it's 1 by 4, which is 4. For shape B, I know it's 7, but I'm not quite sure how wide it is. So I need to look at the bottom because I know this bit's 1, this bit's 4, this bit's also 1. So adding those together gives me 6. So 7 by 6 is 42. And for shape C, it's 1 by 4 again. So that's 4. So now I've got 4, 42, and 4 again. Adding those together gives me the area of the entire cross-section, which is 50. Now we just need to times it by how far back it goes, which is 14. 50 by 14 is 700 centimetres cubed. So to recap, finding the volume of a shape is just, for a cuboid, length times width times depth. For any other 3D shape, it's finding the area of the cross-section and multiplying by how far back the shape goes, the depth.